guys, welcome back to the channel for this weekly Bitcoin analysis. Today is Monday the 4th of July, so happy Independence Day if you're over in America. Well, it'll of course be tomorrow for you guys because down here in New Zealand we're a day ahead. Let's get into the chart here. I'm on the weekly Bitcoin chart and I've got all these bear flags drawn in here. It's just bear flag after bear flag after bear flag. And I'll just draw the target in from this original bear flag and we just use the magnet tool. And we're going to go from there all the way down to there and just remind ourselves where that deeper target was. Originally we went with log view because it had a shorter target, so that would be our first target, and then the deeper target down here is about 13,300. If we jump down onto the daily now, there's the major bear flag there, and we had a secondary bear flag here, and I'll draw in this as well. So it's going from the top of here down to there and around there. So we've got a second target here. Let me just bring that up there. We never want to target the very bottom of the flagpole because we want to be out before other traders. So if you're shorting, those are two targets I'd be looking at there and there. And let me just get rid of that, get that out of the way. Zoom in a bit. This bear flag is obviously not complete yet, and I would be expecting to see a rally somewhere around here. We're in a supportive area, so I'd expect to see an A, B, C play out with a reversal around this area. And of course, none of this is guaranteed, but that is what I would expect to see typically. And something else I wanted to show you guys is the bear market that followed the dot-com bubble. So we've got a 2-year bear market here, and it's important to note that we've got two big rallies during that bear market. One was 2 months and one was 6 months. I've just got a note here that if you bought at the top of this 6-month rally thinking it was going to continue, you would have been underwater for almost 3 years. And there hasn't been a massive bear market in stocks since Bitcoin's inception, really. And I think that it will get dragged down with the stock market, and that's just because there's so much institutional investment now. It's all the same players pushing the markets around, so I think we're going to see that happen. It's important to wait until monetary policy changes before you start going all in on the market again. Well, you probably should never go all in, but that's just something to note there. Back on the Bitcoin chart now, and just to summarize, I am expecting to see a bit of a rally here. That's the most likely scenario, but ultimately I think the way that will play out is a rejection in this area here and then down. Cheers guys, we'll see you in the next one.